Hello and Assalamu.Alaikum. In this video I will tell you how to download unlimited Google Chrome browser in your PC or laptop. So first of all, open your Google Chrome browser. After it you have to click on profile button, person profile button. Now click on to add. Now choose any option. You can put any name. You can also change the background and you can also create a desktop shortcut. Now click on done. After it you can see our Chrome browser has been created and you can also see on the desktop. So we repeat this procedure again and we can create unlimited Google Chrome browsers. Click to add. You can choose any two options. Now you can put any name, you can change background and you can create desktop shortcut. So you can see guys, we can create unlimited Google Chrome browser according to our requirement. So guys, if you are facing any issue in the video, tell me in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz.